It's not a bad approach, but this, I'm going to be in the area and want to stop by and talk to you, we're knocking that off. Okay, we're not doing that anymore. Here's why. I'm going to be in the area. When we look at, because words matter, when we look at the words we use, both through our mouth and on our keyboard, what does I'm going to be in the area automatically highlight? A weakness that we're not in the area, right? It's like we're literally being like, hey, I don't swim, but I'm going to be on the boat. Right? Like, and I'm not saying we're lying to people and saying we have offices in the area that we don't, but when we use words like I'm going to be in the area, I want to stop by, what ends up happening is everybody goes, we're all good, we're too busy, thank you so much. Or somebody that's just really nice. Okay, there's 3 groups of people that respond, I'm going to be in the area. Number 1, we're all good, we're too busy, I'm all set, thank you. Okay, that's the majority. Number 2, call them the courteous people. Okay, they're the second worst. Right? Courteous people are the second worst because they're just courteous and they want to be respectful to you. And you reached out to them, so they're going to do you a solid and have the meeting. They're not even going to listen to you during the meeting. Who's the worst? The worst are people, and they have them at these flooring providers, that think that they're going to make their way through their career by looking busy. So anybody who schedules a meeting with them, it's not a curious thing, that's how I do my job. Oh guys, I am super important at this company. I got a meeting with Paul in 10 minutes, right? And these are you can tell these people a mile away because they're the ones that schedule meetings with their team, and there's nothing that goes on in the meeting, and everybody use big, whatever the trendy buzzwords are, and nothing gets done. Those are horrible too, because your people are flying out. You got boots in the ground. This is an expensive meeting, and you got somebody that's just like, and they're just waiting because you're burning another hour of their day. Okay, so let's knock it off with the meetings. If you are worried about your career in sales, you should be. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been brought into 7 of the top employers of sales professionals just like you. And there's a common theme with every single company that we're gonna start seeing right now. Sales reps are either going to get removed, their job is gonna be gone, they're gonna be replaced, they're looking for new people that do it, or they're going to be rewarded. We've entered an age where you simply can't depend on your company to keep giving you handouts and support. You need to take matters into your own hands. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training in the world. We're going to show you how to prospect, how to close, how to negotiate. We're going to show you how to make twice as much as you're making right now in sales within 60 days. You're going to have access to an online learning portal, and you're going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You're going to be around top performers from every single industry, people that are making mid-6 figures and even 7 figures a year in sales. Click the link here to learn how you are about to become a certified master sales consultant. While everybody else is worrying about their jobs being removed, while everybody else is worrying about somebody coming in and replacing them, you are about to be rewarded. If you're excited about your career as a certified master sales consultant, you should be. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.